I relate a lot of what Kerr is to my own sort of involvement with Kerr, because I started working with Kerr Construction when I was in high school. Like my grade 10 summer was spent painting basements and carrying garbage out. And I was able to grow in Kerr and become better by the staff that we have and the people who would take the time to teach us the right way, teach myself the right way how to do things. And a lot of that still happens with the next batch of people who are going to be coming up and through. We usually look to hire for cultural fit, and right after that would be, experience, skills, but absolutely for the right guy, we'll take them in as a young apprentice or laborer, and they can have an opportunity to work their way all the way up. Sky's the limit.
I like working here because we are very focused on getting a good quality job. We're really concerned about making people happy, doing good work, and we've been in business for quite a long time. I've worked here for almost 12 years now, and it's just a really good company to be part of and know that we do really good work.
Being nice, work with the people in Kerr. And Doug is friendly, my managers are friendly, and the people all good team. And we just had a great year in 2018. Really appreciate everything. Yeah.
Sure. Look, I think one of the most important things, one, not only just working at Kerr, but in the design industry, is passion for what you do. And a lot of people in the design department and throughout Kerr Construction itself are educated and have a background in either design or construction. And so I think that passion should permeate through into your everyday work and work ethic. I think secondly would be initiative. That's it. It's an important skill because it's hard to teach initiative and enthusiasm, motivation for essentially what you're passionate about.
I like because I'm learning a lot here. I'm learning how you build house here in Canada. I used to build house in Brazil, and now I'm just learning here as a carpenter. I used to work as an engineer in Brazil, and here it's just a lot of fun and a lot of learning.
What really makes me proud of Kerr Construction is the people that work there, because they are so passionate. I mean, they come from, I have a background of passion just from ski racing. I was on the Canadian ski team when I was younger. We used to, go around the world and race World Cup races, and it was all about getting better, being the best you can be, being the best in the world at what you do. And that when I came into construction, I brought that with me, and in the beginning it was hard for me because I wasn't surrounded with the team that did that. That wasn't everybody's going to work because it was their job, but they weren't passionate about it. And eventually, I've been doing this 30-some years now, and so I surrounded myself with a fantastic team of people that are just as passionate about what they do as I am, and they're specialists in what they do. Like, Stephen has got all the architectural training, and Nisha and Jamie and Ellen, and they have the interior design background, and they care so much about what they do, and they want to produce the best product they can, and they're it's not a job for them, it's a passion. Same with guys, production managers like Rob and Dave. They are, they're customer service oriented and want to deliver the best. They keep themselves updated not because they have to, because they just love construction. And same with all our project supers. I go through great lengths to find guys that just want to be in the business. They don't do it because it's a job. They're not doing it while they get enough money to do something else. They love construction. They want to do construction. And I'm just proud of the team because we produce great products and great service. That's what we enjoy doing.